Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to perform a setup process on this laptop. So you probably still don't have access to your touchpad, and if you have an external mouse connected to your PC, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to perform the setup process using only your keyboard. So first of all, using down and up arrow keys, select the right country or region, then press yes by press enter to continue. Then in the same way, use the select the right keyboard layout or input method and press enter to continue. And you can press enter to skip this step, but if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you have to press tab several times until you have the add layout option selected, then press enter and proceed with adding a new keyboard layout. Otherwise, just press enter. Now connect to a Wi-Fi network. To do that, you have to press tab once. Now you can use spacebar to check or uncheck this checkbox if you, for example, don't want to connect automatically to this network. Then press tab once again to select connect and press enter. Enter the password to your network and press enter again, and wait until you are connected. Of course, if you wanted to select a different network, you can navigate between them using down and up arrow keys. Next, press tab several times until you have next option selected, and press enter and wait until Windows checks for updates. Then you have to review the license agreement. You can scroll through it using down arrow key, then press tab several times to select accept and press enter to continue. Then you can name your device if you want to. Your device already has a name if you're worried about it. So if you don't want to do it right now and do it later in settings, just press tab once, select skip for now, press enter. Otherwise, press tab several times and select next, and then your device will restart once you've given a name to your device. And now you're gonna have to plug in the charging cable if you haven't done this already, and just wait until Windows downloads and installs all the required updates. Usually it takes about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. So just you can just leave your PC and wait for about 20 minutes until all the updates are downloaded and installed on your PC. Okay, right now the updates are installed, and somehow there wasn't a driver for a touchpad, so have to continue with the keyboard. So press tab until you have the sign in option selected and press enter, and on the following screen enter either your email or phone number that is connected to your Microsoft account. And once you enter it, press enter to continue, then enter the password to your Microsoft account. Press enter again. Then press tab. No, don't press tab, just press enter to create a PIN code for your Windows account. Press tab and confirm your PIN in the following field. Then press enter. Then you have to choose some privacy settings for your device. To scroll through the toggles, you have to press tab button, and to switch the toggle you have to either press spacebar or any arrow key. No, not any arrow key, but left arrow key or down arrow key to switch it to the left, or top arrow key or right arrow key to switch it to the right. Now you can get to know with all of this privacy settings for yourself, but if you want a brief with locations, location lets you get experiences like directions, weather, local news, etc. Find My Device lets you find your device in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic Data collects your data about the websites you use and basically all of your usage, and sends it to Microsoft for research. The Ink and Typing collects data about your keyboard usage and sends it to Microsoft. Tailored experiences personalizes ads for you, so you can switch on any of these that you need and switch the others to the left, and then press tab several times to select accept and press enter to confirm. Then if you want to restore your device from backup, you can press tab several times until you hit the continue option, but otherwise if you want to set it up as a new device, you have to select more options using tab again until the more options option is underlined, then press enter, then press tab several times until you have set up as a new PC selected, and press enter, then press tab several times until you have set up as a new PC selected again, and then again press enter, and then wait for a while. Now if you want to customize your experience, you can scroll through the different presets using tab and select one using spacebar, but you don't have to do this right now. It's optional. You can also do this in settings. So if you want to skip this step, just press tab until you hit the skip button and then press enter to continue. After that, if you want to use your phone from your PC, if you're using an Android phone, then scan this QR code you can see in front of you, and then press tab to select next, or just press enter to select next. And if you have an iPhone, then you can press tab and then select skip and continue with linking your phone using phone link application or feature. Then if you want to back up your photos, you can scan this QR code and press tab, select next, and continue with this process. If you don't want to do this, just press enter to skip. Now if you want to synchronize your data from Microsoft Edge, you can press tab until you hit accept and then press enter. Otherwise select not now and press enter. Now we have the ads from Microsoft, so press tab until you hit decline, or if you want this offer, then of course you know what to do, but if you don't, just press tab until you hit decline again. After that, press enter to go forward, and then again one more ad from Microsoft. Press tab until you hit skip for now, press enter, and then just wait until the setup is finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.